Hello students, welcome back to the class. If you missed a class last Friday on batch editing in Lightroom Classic, then this is the video for you. Let's assume you are a photographer and you went on a photo shoot and you took like hundreds of photos. You don't want to edit all of them one at a time. You can just edit one and then you can batch it to make all the others look exactly the same. There are two requirements on batch editing though. Number one, when you take a photo, it should be taken almost in the same environment. The lighting, the white balance should not change, otherwise you'll have a different result. The second thing is your camera setting should also be same, because again, you don't want to have a different lighting, otherwise you'll have a different result. So now you can see I am on Lightroom Classic. So these are the 9 photos I have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These photos were taken in London, and if you see them, they're exactly same time, almost same setting, and similar kind of a look. So I will pick my best photo, which is this one, and I will go to develop, and in develop I will edit this photo. So that's what you have to do. Pick your one best photo first and edit that one. So let's say I'm going to increase some exposure, increase some shadows, I'm going to decrease some black, add some texture, I'm going to add more exposure here, I'm going to decrease some shadows here. That looks decent. I'm going to go to the masking tool, select subject. Let's see, it selected this area. Let's call that as a masking area, and I'm going to add some that here, some contrast. Okay, you can see some editing here. This is my before, this is my after. Now I can do more than that, but for this purpose I'm just going to show you the basic. I'm going to add a little bit of contrast and some saturation, not too much. Now let's assume this is my editing and I'm happy the way it looks like for now. Okay, what I have to do is I can go to the other photo and start editing, but that's going to cost me a lot of time if I have more than 100 photos, or even if I have 100 photos. So what I can do is I can copy. You see here, I click on copy, and here I will select all the boxes I made changes to. So basically all the editing I did, I'm going to select the boxes. So basic, yes, I did changes in basic. Treatment and profile, yes, I will do that. And white balance is part of the basic. I also did masking, so I'm going to click on masking. I did not do the effects, so I'm going to uncheck that. Detail and sharpening, I did not do that. Color mixer, I didn't do it, but I'll just leave it that way. I'm going to click copy. Then I can go to the next photo. If I just click here paste, it's going to paste only on this photo. But again, it will cost me a lot of time if I do one photo at a time. If I go to all 100 photos and paste, it's going to take a lot of time. So instead of pasting on one photo, what I'm going to do is I will go to all the way to my first photo, select that on your computer or keyboard, press shift key and hold, and come back all the way to the last photo you want to edit. Okay, so this way you're going to select all of them. You see that? Now, don't paste here, because if you just paste, it's going to paste only on one photo. We want to paste it on the entire batch. So right click on any of this photo, right click, it will bring all these options here. From here, go to develop, setting, and then paste setting. By doing that, you're telling computer to paste on every single photo. So now if you see every single photo, this is first, second, third, fourth, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is how you can copy and paste the setting from one to the rest. I will give you one more example. I'm going to bring more photos here. So I have more photos. If I go to all photograph, I have these photos here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 more photos. I'm going to select this one, Tower Bridge in London. I'm going to increase some exposure, open some shadows, some white, decrease some dark, decrease some highlight. I'm going to fix some white balance towards the evening, add some texture, add some dehaze, add some vibrance. Let's assume this is how it looks like. Press Y key to see before and after. Okay, I would say this looks pretty decent, so I'm going to keep it. Same thing, click on the photo, click on copy the things you did. I did not do masking this time, so it doesn't have to be, but these are the basic adjustment I made, copy. Now I'm going to select the first photo, press shift and hold, and click the last photo. So this is how I selected all of them. Right click on any of the photo, develop setting, paste setting, and it will do the magic. You see 1, 2, I can press the Y key to see how they look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is how you can do batch editing in Lightroom Classic, and this is the tutorial for you guys. So make sure you edit your 10 photos which you took in the class with your teammates, the portrait we did, and then this week we're gonna work on the batch editing more, so you will be taking more photos. I hope this was helpful. If you still have any more questions, please write me an email and I will reply it as soon as possible. Until then, take care, and hopefully I will see you back in class.